Legendary lion. Let's go, lion. Oh my god, lion. That's my third legendary that I got. I got football helmet, I got astronaut, and then I got lion. No shot, bro. Lion, bro. No shot, dude. Oh, and then I just opened the original pack. And epic right after that. It's crazy. But I want to get a chroma, not a legendary. I want to get a CHRONA right in the next 3 packs. 3, 2, 1. It's not a chroma, but that's an epic. Now if I was yo, what the hell? Another legendary. What the hell? 2 legendaries. Yo. 2 legendaries. What? Another legendary. Lion again. 2 times in a row. I mean, not in a row. 2 times. That's actually crazy, bro. My luck is insane. That's crazy. 2 legendaries. Wow, bro. And I dropped my phone. Alright, second to last pack. We get a regular sloth. The last pack, I have 26 tokens. Last pack. 3, 2, 1. I bet. These are all the books that I got. Hold on, let me just fix my camera real quick. So it's Safari. Let's see if this works. I haven't even tried this out. So you see, oh yeah, Megabot. I have Megabot. I have Astronaut. They have these 2. And I have 2 lions that I packed. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have the ghost, and then the football helmet, and then baby shark. And I used to have the sandcastle, but I put it on the bazaar for, I forgot. Oh yeah, for 100,000. No one's gonna buy that. I bet you no one's gonna buy that, bro. But anyways, 2 legendaries, not 1 but 2, bro. 26 pandas, 16 tenrecs, 28 sloths, 18 flamingos, 23 zebras, 8 elephants, 9 lemurs, 12 peacocks, 10 chameleons, and 2 lions. Yo, I can't even get a rainbow panda on here or blacket. Oh wait, no, this is the wrong account. But like, I can't even get it on this account, bro. I don't even have anything on this account. But like, my other account, yeah, so I can't even get it on this, my most stacked account. I can't even get it on this account. There's no rainbow panda here. And I have a lion on this account. I have a lion on both accounts, bro. That's crazy. Both accounts. Oh yeah, wait, I could use this. Yo, I could have got a lion. I literally got a lion on both accounts. That's crazy.